before we get into this season of Sisters-in-Law, let's meet our clients.
As Black women lawyers, we came together to form this group. We call ourselves Sisters-in-Law. When my opponents call me a bitch, that means they're gonna have to pay this bitch a lot of money.
Miss Rhonda, honey, she is fierce, but she's also doing a whole lot. Girl, don't do too much. Less is better. I'm just saying.
Rhonda thinks she's the best civil lawyer in town, but she's got some competition now.
Miss Tahi, girl, you too young to be trying to come for the big dogs. Get in formation, honey.
I don't sleep at night till I know my son is at home sleeping because the police have stopped my son 20 times.
I feel like Yolanda's gonna be my favorite this season, guys. She's tall, she got bright hair, all her outfits are bright. I think Yolanda was working to beat, honey, but at least she could defend herself if she got caught.
Keeping the peace with these women is a full-time job.
Auntie Juanita, that's what we're gonna call Juanita, honey. She got a purse with a flask, and she gives me cougar.
It is hard to take on somebody else's problem. That's where prayer comes in for me because I don't want to do cocaine. It's cheaper to pray.
I really like Monique. Monique is funny to me. She's one of them silent ones. You know, that's the ones that'll read you and then act like nothing happened. But girlfriend, Black folks don't talk about cocaine.
I am the matriarch. I've taught all the lawyers that work under me, and they don't pay homage to me.
Mama Vivian, now that is the HBIC of this show. She told these hoes, get information, I am the matriarch, you will respect me, and I will let you know. This week's Friendship on Trial, once again, Rhonda. So basically we find out that Juanita and Rhonda used to be business partners, but Rhonda felt betrayed because she found out that Juanita was using a company credit card to get gas.
When a client bounced a $3,000 check to me, and I had negative because I had negative in my account, that I used the firm gas card. She exploded. We had 5 years. Our babies grew up together. We did everything together.
But I'm pretty sure you guys both own the business. If you were trusting enough of her to go into business with her, why would you not be trusting of her to use a company credit card and put the money back on the company credit card? I mean, girl, you are closing $15 million deals. This week's objection overruled, actually this is probably gonna be the objection overruled for the whole season, is definitely, once again, Rhonda versus Yolanda. Here, we're gonna get the backstory of this team, of how these ladies knew each other, how they fell out with each other, and what they really think about each other. Because if you ask me my little 2 cents, let's just say this is uptown versus downtown.
You said you wanted to hold my fundraiser. Rhonda is my friend. I've known her for a long time. Unfortunately, I have to be forceful because if you don't push back with Rhonda, she will roll over you in her cute little way. You got me twisted. You got me twisted. You have me twisted.
This is probably one of my favorite sections of Sister-in-Law's reality rap, and this is the order in the court section. Honey, Miss Rhonda was not having no parts of Katrina. As soon as she met Katrina, she was like, ooh, Republican, dirty word, you got to go.
Katrina is a Black Republican.
Oh, she's a Republican. Okay. Republican. That is like, to me, a dirty word. I couldn't even imagine being a Republican.
Then they went back and forth. Like, who fact checks at a fundraising event? I don't know if this is a fundraiser or a Donald Trump rally. So this week's recess and reconvene moment definitely goes to Rhonda and Monique. Now, Miss Rhonda, girl, I told you, you out of order. How you gonna tell Monique, girl, I'm allowing you to speak? See, right there, the conversation would have went, and I would have just been trying to choke you, girl.
Okay, no, I can't believe you, Monique, for even inviting her here. First of all, it was my event at my house.
Yolanda's fundraiser.
It's my house.
And it's her fundraiser.
My house. And it's my house.
You did, right?
And you didn't clear it with her, and you didn't clear it with me.
Like, bitch, what part of +1 don't you get, girl? You so bougie, you should know the rules of etiquette. +1 means whoever I deem to bring, honey. Got me all worked up talking about that. I hate rude ass hoes. So this is the part of reality rap where we get to charge the ladies with first-degree shade.
Yolanda lives in 3rd Ward, and I am worried that I might get carjacked.
Rhonda, you know that was shady, girl.
But I just got a partial settlement of $15 million.
I'm proud of Rhonda and her millions. But I think Rhonda is more proud than we could ever be.
Monique, Girl.
He's been appointed on the Sandra Bland case.
I just figured I have a responsibility.
They've been calling me a lot about it. They wanted me, but I said, you know, he was my student. He'll do a good job. I told him I taught him everything he knows, because, you know, I got to take credit.
Vivian, why you let that boy get his moment? It wasn't shady, but it was a little shade like, boom, they asked me first.
I love wine. I'm a wine kind of girl. And Jolanda's a daiquiri kind of girl.
God damn it, Rhonda. That was shady. I like daiquiris too, girl. But I also like Moet now. Hey guys, this has been another episode of Reality Rap. Let's keep the conversation going and use the hashtag SIL. And tune in next Thursday for a brand new episode of Sisters in Law, right here on WeTV.